Good evening, friends. I'm Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. And today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 26th of June, Tuesday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 29th of June, Wednesday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices, particularly Germany, France, and UK, all closed in good green. All the indices are up by close to 1%. If we talk about Asian markets, particularly China, all the indices were up, so it looks like global sentiment is improving. If we talk about the US, as of now, US markets are trading in green range. All the indices are up. Nasdaq is up by 0.5%. Dow Jones is up by more than 1%, and S&P 500 0.8%. So looks like markets are stabilizing. If we talk about FIDI data for today, FIs were net sales. They have sold for 1,244 crores. DIs were net buyers. They have bought for 1,205 crores. So let's look at the Nifty on a 15-minute chart. What we have seen is today we saw a gap down of approximately 74 points, and then from there we touched the yesterday's low, yesterday's close, and then from there it was a sharp recovery up to the yesterday's high. So we made a high up to 15,892 and then closed in green. Nifty was up by 0.11%. So it was more or less an upward price action. What I can say for tomorrow is the first support for the market would be 15,820, followed by 15,670, and then 15,500 to 520. On the resistance side, the first and immediate resistance is 15,900, followed by 16,000, and then 16,080. So these are the resistance levels. If we talk about the option chain, on option chain, what we can see is 16,000 massive call writers are there, and some of the put writers have closed their position over there. So looks like 16,000 is a good level for this recovery, might act as a resistance. If we talk about the support comes at 15,800, 15,700. So all these levels we can see huge put writing is happening. So it looks like market is in a bullish move. If we talk about Bank Nifty was much more weaker as compared to the Nifty. Nifty closed in green. Bank Nifty was down by 0.5%. So it was more or less in like a range bound session for Bank Nifty. So what Bank Nifty, what I can say is 36,600 is the first support level, followed by 33,400, and then 33,200. On the higher side, the first resistance is 33,750, followed by 34,000, and then 34,100. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. If we talk about the resistance on the higher range for tomorrow, 34,000 can act as a resistance, but this resistance can easily cross. On the weekly series, I can say 34,000 looks like a good resistance for this weekly series, which will end on Thursday. If we talk about the support, 33,000 looks as a good support. That's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.